Hey everyone, Travis here with Arbor Ridge, checking back in here at our pond repair project in Roland Park, neighborhood of Baltimore, Maryland. Just wanted to show everyone kind of the day two, how things are coming together, and some of the challenges that we're facing to make all this happen. So behind me here, we'll walk over to the pond. We're pretty far along. Yesterday we were able to clean the pond out, move the fish out into their temporary pool with air and filtration, and today we're working on taking apart all the stonework, all the stone coping, and then we have this big heavy waterfall stone over here that we're getting ready to move out. So all the stone coping down in here we've actually numbered and labeled so that as we take it all apart we can put it all back together just the way it was. And back here, this big heavy waterfall stone, we are in the process of, we got it up on some 4x6s, and we're going to lift it up on these pipes and use the excavator and very carefully glide it out here, out of our way, and then we'll install our new rubber lining, because this project was one where a tree fell across the pond, damaged the lining really bad, and so we have to replace that and restore it all back to the way it was. So can't wait to show you how this all comes together, and thanks for checking out our latest project. Have a great day.